Okay, for this section, we want to keep in mind our formula. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So to do these questions, the first one, we have the center of this circle is at 0, 0. And then we're going to count for the radius. Our radius only goes out 2 in every direction. So we're going to fill in our values. And then we can simplify. If it's just x minus 0, that's just x, so x squared, and y minus 0 is just going to be y squared. And then 2 squared gives us 4. For number 2, again, not all of you had to do all of these problems. Some of you were just doing the odds depending on which class you're in. Okay, so for number 2, we're going to find our center point. We have to make sure we notice where what the scale is. We're counting by 3s. So our center point is -3, -3. And our radius, if we count, goes over 3 units, but each unit is 3, so 9. And then we're going to fill in x minus -3 squared plus y minus -3 squared is equal to 9 squared. And remember, every time we have minus a negative, we need to change that to plus. So then y plus 3 also, and then 81. Okay, if you notice on number 3, when the center was at 0, 0, like number 1, we just end up with x squared and y squared. So I'm just going to save some time and jump to that step. And then the last part is the radius squared, so that's going to be 49. Okay, for number 4, this is h, this is k. So we're going to have x minus 4 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to radius squared, so that's 25. For number 5, we have our h and our k, and it says our diameter is 2. If the diameter is 2, you got to cut it in half, and that gives us our radius. Our radius is 1. So we're going to have x plus 3, because it's minus a -3, y minus 4, and both of those are squared, and then 1 squared is just 1. All right, next we have h and k, x minus 3 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equal to, and then it says diameter is 22, so radius is 11. 11 squared is 121. So that's it for that first section.